Our mission at A. Lewis Purdy Real Estate Incorporated is to provide you, the customer, with an extensive listing of homes for sale and rental properties available in Avalon and Stone Harbor. Enjoy stunning sunset and sunrise views from this 7-bedroom, 4.5-bath home. Located on an oversized corner lot offering open views of Ingram's Thorofare and its confluence with Townsend's Inlet. This home's floor plan offers the perfect balance between privacy and entertaining space with 3 family rooms and 6 decks. The first floor of the home consists of 5 bedrooms and 2 full baths, 2 decks, and a large family with wet bar. Upon entering the second floor, you will find a massive great room with vaulted ceilings and mesmerizing views from every corner. The generous eat-in kitchen and dining area offer additional views of Cedar Island. The second floor is completed with 2 bedrooms, 1 ensuite with a private deck and inlet view, a hall bath and laundry, utility room. The third floor is comprised of an oversized family fun room with a full bar, 2 decks, half bath and views abound. This home is a must-see and is perfect for a large family. Additional amenities include ample off-street parking, detached garage, irrigation system, 3-zone HVAC, tile showers with glass enclosures.